Welcome to Inside Out Beauty. My name is Kisha, and today we're going to be discussing Bare. Not just any Bare, dark Bare, and the nutrients that it has for your hair. Now, is Bare good for your hair? Stay tuned, we're gonna find out. Let's go. So is Bare good for your hair? Let's talk about the first thing it does. It nourishes your hair. Now I have notes on the side, so I'm going to be looking at my notes so that I don't miss a beat with you and I give you all the specifics. So first, yes, Bare nourishes your hair. It contains nutrients such as soluble fiber, selenium, potassium, phosphorus, chromium, B vitamins like B6 and B12, in addition to folic acids. The vitamin B and magnesium found in Bare also adds to the overall health and luster of your hair. Number 2, what else does it do? Bare hydrates your hair. Yes, child, it hydrates your hair. Who knew? The protein in the malt and hops found in Bare hydrates your hair and repairs damaged strands. Next, Bare adds volume and strength, and we all love volume and strength, child. Got my little puff on top to show you. I love some volume and some strength, okay? Bare also contains biotin and silica. They increase the volume and strength of your hair. The sugars found in the malt tightens and strengthens the cuticles of your hair, which boosts shine. Ooh. Bare also prevents hair loss and retains the natural hair color. Now, you know we all getting up there. We need to maintain some color, child. The calcium, iron, and copper found in Bare prevents hair loss and preserves the natural color of your hair. It stimulates blood circulation. You know what that means. Bare is also good for your scalp as it stimulates blood circulation, which promotes hair growth. The blood goes to your hair follicles, gets them all the nutrients that you've taken in through your food, through your vitamins, and that gives hair growth. And finally, Bare helps to maintain the pH balance of your hair. Bare maintains and balances the pH levels of your scalp, which makes sure that your hair won't get too oily or too dry. You stay copacetic. So let's get into the tips. Tip number 1, use bottled Bare only. Tip number 2, dark Bares are better for nourishing your hair as they have more vitamins and nutrients. Tip number 3, before using dark Bare as part of your hair regimen, you may want to remove the alcohol from it, as alcohol evaporates faster than water. To remove the alcohol, pour 1.5 cups of dark Bare into a spray bottle and leave out overnight so that the Bare will go flat. This will ensure that all of the alcohol has evaporated from the Bare. In the alternative, you can place a minimum of 1.5 cups of dark Bare in a pot on the stove. Using low to medium heat, boil the dark Bare for 15 minutes or until all the alcohol has been removed from the Bare. For naturally straight, thin, fine, or oily hair types, completely saturate your entire scalp and hair strands with the dark Bare of your choice. Leave in for 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Continue with your wash day and style your hair as usual. Now, proceed with caution. Only use this treatment once a week. If used more than once a week, you can damage your hair, as this treatment will strip away the natural oils that your scalp produces, making your hair dry and prone to frizz, as well as breakage. For thick, kinky, coily, curly, or dry hair types, I suggest that you always add a conditioner and aloe vera gel to this treatment, as the nutrients in the dark bear may leave your hair feeling hard. The conditioner will add softness to your strands. In addition to a number of benefits, aloe vera adds amazing slip, and as a humectant, it will draw moisture into your strands. Suggested use. I suggest 2 ways of using dark bear in your hair. First, saturate your hair and scalp with the dark bear. Do not rinse out. Then apply your pre-poo treatment and aloe vera gel, placing a plastic cap over your hair. Wrap the plastic cap with a towel and leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Tip number 4. This will seal in your body heat, boosting the ability of the nutrients and conditioner to strengthen and soften your strands. Tip number 5. Instead of a towel, you can also use a heat cap. Tip number 6. In the event you do not have or want to use a towel or heating cap, you can use a plastic bag or your handheld blow dryer to warm up the product. Place the plastic bag over your plastic cap and tie the handles together in the front or to the side of your head. Then, place the nozzle of your handheld hair dryer through the gap created by the knot in the plastic bag's handles. For best results, use low to medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Tip number 7. No towel, heating cap, or plastic bag? No problem. Place the waistband of a long-sleeved sweatshirt over your plastic cap. Tuck in the neck opening of the sweatshirt. Wrap one arm of the sweatshirt around the waistband and your head to close off any possible ways for air to escape. Place the nozzle of your handheld blow dryer into the remaining sleeve of the sweatshirt. Once again, for best results, use low to medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes. This will boost the ability of the dark bear and the pre-poo to nourish and condition your hair. In the morning, rinse out your hair thoroughly. Condition, shampoo, and deep condition as usual for best results. The second way to use dark bear in your hair regimen: pre-poo, condition, and shampoo your hair as usual. Then saturate your hair and scalp with the dark bear. Do not rinse out. Next, deep condition your hair as usual. Thoroughly rinse out. Proceed with caution. Only use this treatment once or twice a month. If used twice a month, use it every other week. Week 1 and 3, use the bear treatment. Please be sure to use a moisturizing treatment on the alternative weeks. On weeks 2 and 4, use the moisturizing treatment of your choice. If used more than twice a month, you can damage your hair, as this treatment will strip away the natural oils that your scalp produces, making your hair dry and prone to frizz as well as breakage. Did you find that information helpful? I hope so. If you have any questions about dark bear or any suggestions if you use bear in your hair and tips and tricks that you use that help your hair, please leave it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. We'd love to have you become a part of our community, our Inside Out Beauties. We'd love to speak to you and stay in the conversation with you. Thanks so much for joining us. If this video helped you and you feel it can help someone else or just bring a smile to their face or some joy to their day, please share the video, as this lets YouTube know that you're interested and it helps us with the algorithm, which we appreciate so much. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.